How to use Google Photos cinematic photo feature. First, you want to simply open the Google Photos application, and inside your Google Photos you want to simply select your photo that you want to use cinematic photo feature on. After that, you want to simply tap on this edit icon at the bottom of your screen, and here you want to simply go to actions over here. And if you scroll down on here, you'd be able to see an option, and inside your edit section you'd be able to see all kinds of auto features over here to apply filters on your photos. You can simply tap on filters and you'd be able to see all kinds of filters over here. Tap on filters and you'd be able to turn your any kinds of photos into cinematic. Apply the right filter over here. What you can also do is you can simply go to this adjust option and you'd be able to adjust your brightness, your contrast, your tone, your white points, and your highlights, shadows, and every color settings over here, and you'd be able to make cinematic photos over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.